Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be, like it says in the title, building a pulling build, like for trailers and stuff. I could use this, but it looks really nice, and I don't know, it's just more of a SEMA truck type build. So, oh yeah, there's also this new barn finder that I just got. But yeah, so we're gonna go here. I'm thinking, I was looking earlier, and I was like, maybe like thinking this, maybe even like a Tacoma type build. But I think that I know what I have to do. I was thinking maybe this, I don't know. But I know what has to happen. The old Dodge. Heck yeah, so we're gonna buy that. And first things first, definitely the paint. I really like red vehicles, but I have a lot of red vehicles. Maybe like a nice blue. Ooh, that would be okay. More of a green or teal. Not too much tint. I like that. And then for the rims, I'm gonna say these ones. These ones look good. Okay, we're gonna go metallic black, and then for the bead, we're gonna go probably metallic teal. Ooh, yes, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. So metallic. Oh shoot. No. What? Okay. So we're gonna go metallic. We're gonna go teal. And we're gonna go like that. For this. Okay, there we go. Making sure they're kind of the same. That's pretty good. Okay, now we're going to probably just, I don't know, let's throw those tires on. If I can find them again. There we go. Ooh, yeah, we're going to be making this a dually. Oh yeah. And then axle color, secondary. Kind of like that darker gray. And then on the body, I think the stock bumper is pretty good. No. I'm trying to go for like a really, really cleanish build. Not a flatbed. I would do that, but I'm sticking to the clean build type. Like I just said. Those look pretty clean. So does that. That fits the body style better. So we're gonna do that. And like that. I think the LED light bar or this light bar. Gotta go with that one. Extra tire in the bed, why not? No. No winch. Okay, what are we gonna do for the stacks? Not feeling that. Maybe that. Nope, it's that. Okay. Gotta love that big old muffler. Gun rack, nope. I think we're set. And then wraps. I could do like a fade with black. Oof. I have to. It has to stay. Okay. Decals. I was wondering if I would want to do maybe a 4x4. Yes. And bring this around to the other side. Place that right there. Actually, over further. Okay, that first one's a little goofy. So look at that. Okay, the second one's a little big. I don't care. It's not like anybody's gonna be looking at both sides at once. So there, I think we got our build. Okay, maybe. Okay, just maybe. Another teal wrap over it. Feeling that? I don't know. I kind of like it. Okay, we're doing it. All right, maybe a flag. No, we don't need a flag. What am I saying, bro? So we're gonna apply those, and then always for all of my builds, like pulling builds. Oh shoot, no. Solid Oxa Pro Heavy Duty works the best, looks the best. You know, probably only need 2. So axis width is probably pretty good. That looks good. Travel up. Also, the stiffness, it's a pulling truck, so I mean, actually, no. I'm gonna make it like squat down to be level. So I'm gonna make this stiffness down a little bit, and then the travel up more. Yup. And then the travel up here. Ooh, it's already all the way up. So then that means we're gonna have to go over here, make that a little bit more of the shocks. I feel like these ones fit the build the best, I guess. The shock size, I usually go like 1.8. 2.0 in the front, 2.1 in the back. Even though they wouldn't actually be different, but whatever. And then back, we gotta go axis a little wider. Probably the same with the front. And there we go. Damping, gotta be up a little bit. Especially in the back, handling all them bumps. Maybe the wheels and tires, I mean, I don't want them to be like, so, maybe from the top, 1, 2 down. Alright. 1, 2. Rim size. Always gotta get the rims. Maybe always the rim size gotta be a little bigger, you know. Wheels a little wider. Say that looks pretty good. Good dyno run on her. And drop test, cause why not? Heck yeah. Test rig. And then imagine that with a trailer. I don't know. Might be looking pretty good. Then the upgrades. We gotta go all the way up. Oh, also we're having a turbo. E-brake. Wait. durability, diesel. Where's diesel? Okay. And I don't know. Sure. Throw a manual transmission in her. I'd say that looks pretty dang good. Okay, now I gotta go grab a trailer. I don't have a trailer. Oh, I missed it. Don't know what oh, that's not gonna work. We need, for this build, I know what we need. Yes. Just yes. And we gotta throw one of the America vehicles on it, obviously. Because we got 1 America jet ski, 2 America 4-wheeler, 3 America dirt bike, 4 America side-by-side. But this one's not matching because, okay, I have to fix this right now. The topper needs to be blue. What? Okay, wrong way. Just like everybody else's. Looks pretty good. Oh, I gotta equip the trailer real quick. Find my America Mobile again. Load car and trailer. And we're gonna take this. I don't know where we're gonna take it. Maybe, I don't know. Roleplay map. What? Hazardly County is what we just chose. Put her in 4. Get all them diffs locked. I want to see this thing roll. Maybe take the side-by-side up somewhere. Well, that was free camera. I feel like it should have gone out more. Where are we going? Oh my, nope, not the mud. Not the clean truck. Oh my gosh, and I can't even back up. We're just going forward. Here we go. Okay. Where is the town that I saw? I think we're gonna whip a Yui here. Oh, slipping in first. Are we just back where we were? I mean, it's pulling it through it, I guess. Probably in real life would have just jackknifed that so hard right there. Come on, pull it over. Whatever. That was not very good. Alright, we're back at the house and not get it cleaned up. So yeah. You guys can drop a comment, I want to see exactly what you guys think of this build, if you think it's good, bad, what I should change about it. And yeah, I just love to hear your comments. So see you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.